Hey guys, if you want to set up a meeting for all of your classes in Teams, but you want all your different classes to be able to be in the same meeting, so you really only want one meeting for all of your courses, and you want to be able to set it so that the kids have to have their appropriate name and all that, this is how you do it. So what we need to do is inside Teams, and we're going to do this from Teams and not from Canvas, okay? So inside Teams, we're going to click on Calendar, and then we can hit New Meeting. And as far as the date and time and all that, that's really, it doesn't matter. It's whatever. That's just going to put it on your calendar there. But this meeting is going to show up, is going to be available at all times. So, class meeting. So what we need to do is actually generate a sharing code for this. And the way we do it is by tricking the computer. So if I was to type in my own name right here, just like you would normally do if you were inviting someone, it says no results found. But if I type in my email address and then hit tab, the tab key on the keyboard, then it actually puts myself in here. Okay, so this is what's neat. This is the trick. Okay, so I've got the name of the meeting and I've got myself in here as a recipient. I'm going to go ahead and hit send, and that puts it on my calendar. I'm going to reopen it off the calendar. And now I have a join link. Okay, but before I go and share the join link with my students, and that's what we're going to do. We're just going to right click and copy this link and join. What we're going to do first is we're going to go up here to this button here, meeting options. I'm going to click meeting options. It's going to send me over to my web browser. And then what I'm going to do is change these two settings. Who can bypass the lobby? Now the lobby is a holding room where you can either deny people access into the meeting or allow them access. And what we want to do is we want to change this from everyone can bypass to only people in my organization can bypass. That means that if the students are logged in to their account with their names on it and everything, it's going to go straight into the meeting. If they're logging in as a guest, where they can set up their own crazy name and there's no way for you to tell exactly who the kid is, it's going to put them in that lobby and you can deny them entry into the meeting, okay? So that's why you want to leave that there. And then who can present? You want to change this from everyone to only me. This way you have control over muting everyone else in the meeting, and they don't have that option to do that to y'all. And the students at this point will not have, because they're not presenters, they will not have the option of sharing their screen or requesting control over your screen. So you want to make sure it's these two things here, people in my organization and only me. Then hit save. And now that's done. Okay, so we can close that tab and go back to the team. And then here's this Join Microsoft Team right here. You can either click and highlight this right here, or you can just right click and then copy link. And then go into Canvas. I'm not going to do it here, but you can go into Canvas and then post that either in an assignment for every one of your classes, or in an announcement for every one of the classes, or a page in any one of your classes, anything like that. You just paste the link in and tell the kids what time in the Canvas assignments. You can tell the kids what time the meeting will be. All right, that's how that's done.